Okay, today is 48 hours later. I was doing some things on some snow peas and regular peas and broccoli sprouts. Now, the snow peas aren't broccoli sprouts, but it's been about 2 days, 48 hours or so, since I um, started the snow peas. It's been about 3 days since I started the broccoli. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some 90-degree weather. I always say that, dyslexia. So I'm going to take some 90-degree water. Well, that's 100. That's okay. Once it hits in there, it'll chill it right on down to about what I want. And so this is my broccoli. You can see how now it's white. When it started, so you can see the brown, those are mostly just the shells of the snow peas at the bottom. You can see, if you look close, you can see the broccoli starting to get long, right? So the broccoli is coming along just fine. So here we got some snow peas. Put a little water in that. Here is some regular green peas. Put some warm water in that. And I'm going to check to see if I've got any of my snow peas and regular peas sprouting their roots yet after 48 hours. So I'm going to give it a check. Hard to say right now. I just don't know. I see something. On the snow peas. Huh. Let's take a look. Holy moly. They're all ready to go. I gotta go put them in the ground. It's raining outside. Yeah, I need to go put these in the ground. So it looks like pretty much all of them, looks like all my snow peas sprouted in 2 days. Isn't that crazy? 2 days. I'm gonna show you. 2 days. Yeah, they're pretty much all got sprouted. So I'll show you all the roots that came out of there. So here's the roots. See the little white roots coming out of all those? 48 hours. Right? So I'll be planting all those. Actually, it's a good time. It's raining right now. It's actually a really good time to get these in the ground. I'm going to get out there and get them done. So it looks like all of them rooted. I think they all did. Wow. Yep, they sure did. I got 100%. I got 100% rooting doing it this way. 100%. What? Say what? Right, so now I'm going to check my peas and see if I got any peas that have started rooting. Don't look like it. Oh, yep, sure enough. So my peas are ready to go in the ground, and my snow peas are ready to go in the ground. Now, the thing to think about, so here's my, you can see the little roots coming out right there. Maybe I can give you a better view. Here's a better view. That looks like a snow pea maybe there. Right here. Oops. Here's a better look. So you can see that root coming up there. And that's after 48 hours. But looks like the snow peas, they germinated quicker. But that's okay. I'll let these sit for a few days, and another day or two, and I'll plant those. So I'll plant. Oh, there's a lot more in there that germinated. So there's more in here that germinated. But you kind of get the picture. That one is growing roots. So some of these regular peas I can put in the ground today also. But I need to get these snow peas in the ground today. I don't want them going too long. So I'm going to take the. Now the thing about the broccoli, when you start the broccoli, if you're starting it if you're doing your broccoli sprouts in the spring and you're going, hey, I need to plant some broccoli. Well, you got a whole bunch of them already sprouted right there, right? So you just take a few of those and you sprinkle them wherever you want your broccoli to grow. And in a few days you got broccoli up. Cool, right? Isn't that cool stuff? Right? You can do that with tomato seeds. You can do that with. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Follow my broccoli sprout procedure, micro sprouts, and you're gonna kind of you can do everything that way, pretty much. I did it with carrots, but it turned into a mess. I should have just taken the carrots and just threw them out there instead of putting one carrot here. Oh, it was so tedious. Right? So today, what is today? Today is the 6th. And I started these on the 4th. I think it was the 4th. Pretty sure. So yeah, 2 days. That's just cool. Yeah, I was doing my microgreens a few years ago, and I thought, huh, I wonder if I can do that with starting other things instead of putting all of them in little things and hoping something comes up. So I used to put them in those little trays, where you got 6 little ports you can put plants in. I used to do it that way, and most of the stuff wouldn't come up. So I'm wasting all that time. So now that I can do this, I don't waste no time. No time, no time. Don't waste no time. Subscribe, thumbs up. I got a lot of weird things like that. I wouldn't even call this weird. I would just call this cool stuff, right? Cool ideas. Now, if somebody else thought about this stuff, oh, I'm sure they have. Could you imagine only one person who builds a rocket and goes to the moon by themselves? No, it's teamwork. I'm just sharing what I've gleaned in my lifetime, and you take it for what it's worth to you. I'm taking what it's worth to me, and I'm going to plant some seeds. So you have a wonderful life, and thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I'm sure I can most likely come up with an answer, except for E equals MC squared. It's already been answered. So, have a good one. Bye now. You're falling everywhere. Help me. I'm rolling away. I'm rolling away. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh. Help me, Mr. William. Help me. Go put you girls in the ground. Yes, baby. In the ground.